I feel so bittersweet because this is the last YouTube video. This is the last makeup video I am filming for 2024. Hi everyone, I'm Jasmine. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to recreate this look for y'all. It's for the holidays, it's for the New Year's. Sexy glittery eyes, like a very dewy minimal base, and glossy and shimmery lips. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And one last time for 2024, let's jazz it up. So let's start filming the last makeup video of 2024. Let's end the year with glitter, with glam, with like a full glam look. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take in my illuminator from Charlotte Tilbury. This is their Hollywood Flawless filter. I'm just gonna apply it to the high points of my cheeks and my nose and my chin. So जहाँ पर flashlight लगती है आपके face में, these are the areas that are gonna like look highlighted. I'm then gonna take in my beauty blender and just blend it upwards so that my base looks really glowy from within. So when you put your foundation and your concealer, it's gonna look like glass skin. My idea of makeup is always like a very glowy, minimal base and like really glitter eyes. So that's what we're gonna do today. Can you guys believe it? Like साल ही खत्म हो गया. Like 2024 is ending. Honestly, it was one of the most difficult years of my life, mentally, physically, emotionally. This one has been really difficult, so I'm really looking forward to the next year. But I'm so happy that our YouTube family has grown this year, so that is really nice. I love this concealer by LA Pro Girl. This acts like a color corrector, this acts like a concealer, and it blends so beautifully into the skin. Also drugstore product है, तो ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं है, but honestly ये बहुत सही काम करता है. This is a new brush that I ordered from Meesho. Can you believe it? Meesho में brushes मिलते थे makeup के. I had no idea. And ये इतना अच्छा, I mean just look at how beautifully it is blending. रुक जाओ, ये side का देखो. I mean, just see under the eyes. I love this. So today's makeup look, I want it to be really sexy. I want it to be really sultry. I want my skin to look dewy. I want my eyes to glitter. I want to do a heavy eye makeup look. क्योंकि यार साल खत्म हो रहा है. Like you want to end it looking really really stunning. This is my foundation from Estee Lauder. एंड ये ब्रश के दूसरे साइड में फाउंडेशन वाला ब्रश भी है. एंड ओ माय गॉड, इट इज ब्लेंडिंग सो ब्यूटीफुली. बहुत टाइम हो गया मैंने मेकअप ब्रश नहीं यूज किया क्योंकि मुझे स्पंज की इतनी आदत हो गई है. बट दिस वन इज एब्सोल्युटली stunning. Also this foundation is really good. तो after your concealer foundation लगा लो. Also let me know your plans for New Year's. क्या कर रहे हो, कहाँ जा रहे हो? I am staying at home, going to the Gurdwara at 12 o'clock. उसके बाद I'll sit with mama and papa and my brother and just order something to eat. I think that is like the perfect New Year plan. Honestly, I can't wait for this year to end. Now I'm going to go in with my second shade of concealer. This is little lighter, so this is just going to brighten any parts of my face that I want. Honestly, 2024 has been really difficult. Like it's tested me mentally, it's tested me physically. I've lost a lot this year. Also it's made me mentally really strong. There's always something to learn. ऐसे नहीं होता है कि हर चीज बुरी होती है. But I know for a matter of fact that 2025 is going to be great. I want to make a lot of content. My YouTube family is growing. I'm so happy. पहले मैं इतनी videos नहीं बनाती थी, but now um, I just feel like if I sit idle, अगर मैं घर पे ऐसे ही बैठी रहती हूँ, या I just keep thinking a lot, and that is not good for me. The past few months, oh god, mentally I've been drained. So I'm gonna make a lot of videos. I think food content, diet content, skincare, that's what you guys want to see. And look at this concealer. This concealer is from Huda Beauty, and थोड़ा सा अपने eyelids पे, ताकि क्योंकि मैं heavy eye makeup करने वाली हूँ, so this is just gonna act like a primer. I honestly love it when the base looks really flawless. It looks really nice. So we've done a concealer, we've done a foundation, and now I'm going to sort of bake my face. क्योंकि अगर आप New Year's party में जा रहे हो या कहीं पर भी बाहर जा रहे हो, तो you want your base to stay for a long time. So we are going to bake today. Usually मैं करती नहीं हूँ, but Mumbai, it's a little humid, it's a little matlab, you tend to sweat, so I think baking is fine. This powder is from Laura Mercier, and it's in the shade translucent honey, because I have been told मेरा undertone warm है, so I am trying this powder and it's actually really really nice. Also, like you guys know, न्यू ईयर से पहले तो 3-4 दिन तो आई जस्ट ईट लाइक यू हैव नो आइडिया. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना मेक श्योर दैट आई सॉर्ट ऑफ cut my jawline as well. I'm going to take this brow powder from Swiss Beauty. It is a beauty, this powder, and काफी affordable भी है. So when you do your brows, you can see यहाँ पर कितने gaps है. So I just make sure that I fill the gaps. I don't like to put too much gel क्योंकि इससे आपके eyebrows खराब हो सकते हैं. You don't want to do artificial stuff to your brows. And I am just gonna. That's it. I am done. So now you guys can see the brows look so nice. Also, I'm looking over here क्योंकि मेरा mirror यहाँ पर है और मैं यहाँ पर आप लोगों से बात करती हूँ. So you can see the brows look so nice and it's like framed my face really well. And अभी eye makeup शुरू करते हैं. I am going to use this palette by Swiss Beauty. I'm going to take in a light brown shade and just apply it all over my eye area. Just like that with a fluffy brush. अब मैंने लाइट ब्राउन लिया था, अब मैं डार्क ब्राउन कलर और लाइट ब्राउन कलर को मिक्स करूंगी एंड आई एम गोना अप्लाई इट ऑल ओवर माय लिड एरिया एंड जस्ट सी. I it's very stunning. Like I think brown is a color that is so nice. Black smoky eye करने से मुझे काफी अच्छी लगती है कि मैं एक brown smoky eye कर लूँ because I think it looks minimal and it looks really really nice and it adds that stunning color. And make sure that you blend it very very correctly in a circular motion. जितनी इम्पोर्टेंट आपके लिड एरिया होता है, जितना इम्पोर्टेंट आपका क्रीज एरिया होता है, उतना ही इम्पोर्टेंट आपकी लोअर लैश लाइन होती है. सो यू आर गोना टेक द लाइट ब्राउन कलर एंड गो ओवर योर लोअर लैश लाइन एज वेल. क्योंकि मैंने पहले पाउडर यूज किया था बेकिंग के लिए, तो अगर कुछ भी आई शेडो फॉल आउट भी होती है, सो व्हेन आई वाइप द पाउडर वो सब वाइप हो जाएगा. नाउ आई एम गोना शो यू गाइज अ स्टार प्रोडक्ट दैट आई लव. आई थिंक मैंने पूरी वीडियो ही ये प्रोडक्ट यूज करने के लिए और इसको कैमरा में देखने के लिए बनाई है. It is this one from Mars. It's the liquid eye shadow. ये इतना stunning है. कल मैंने Instagram पे एक reel बनाई थी. I used it for that and I was like, YouTube. So I'm just gonna exactly like ये देखो. Isn't it so freaking stunning? I'm just gonna take a flat brush and मैं यहाँ पर इसको अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर देती हूँ. अगर आप देखो तो ये लगेगा कि आप बहुत ही पता नहीं कितना डिफिकल्ट आई मेकअप करके आए हो, बट इट्स एक्चुअली लाइक अ 3 or 4 स्टेप आई मेकअप, बट इट्स रियली इजी क्योंकि ये इतना अच्छा आई शेडो है, ये इतना पिगमेंटेड है, इसका ग्लिटर इतना अच्छा है, इट जस्ट स्टिक्स टू योर आई एंड आई लव इट. Take your black eyeshadow and just here. I'm just gonna apply it here and then just do a wing. And we are done because I like to keep it a little thick. तो ऐसे लगता है मैंने false lashes लगाई हुई है because it's just on the outer corner and I think it just looks really stunning. This kajal is from Lakme. Like you guys can see, ये आधा पूरा ही खत्म हो चुका है. So I just love this one. It's also not very expensive, but it's like jet black and the application is really smooth and easy. ये देखो, like just one application, like just one layer of it, and I'll just show you how it looks. So I'm almost done with the eyes. I'll do the mascara later. Now I'm gonna take in my brush और जो भी हमने पाउडर लगाया था for setting उसको हटा दो, वरना जब आप फोटोज खींचोगे, फ्लैशेस ऑन हो गए यहाँ यहाँ यहाँ, it will look like white. It will look like you've come out of an आटा and you don't want that. तो इसको brush off कर दो. And now just see, it looks so flawless. It almost looks like matte and it's going to stay in place throughout the night. Also, you guys need to tell me how was your year, how was 2024, what did you all achieve, what did you all learn. Are you all excited for the next year? क्या करना है, क्या goals है. पता नहीं इतना pressure होता है ना इस न्यू ईयर्स रेजोल्यूशन का कि जैसे ही साल खत्म होने लग जाता है everyone's like, oh I want to do this, I want to do that, जिम जाएंगे, ये करेंगे. And this year I was like nothing. इट इज़ जस्ट अनदर डे, 1 जनवरी, और जो मैं कर रही थी वही मैं करूँगी. बस ये मुझे करना है कि देर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स दैट आई वांट टू लीव बैक इन 2024. काफ़ी ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जिन्हें मुझे 2025 में कैरी नहीं करना है. काफ़ी ऐसी हैबिट्स है, काफ़ी ऐसे थॉट्स है जो मुझे बस इस साल में छोड़ देने, बिकॉज दिस ईयर वॉज वेरी टफ फॉर मी मेंटली. बट I know that I don't like being in that space. So I'm just gonna leave it in 2024, and 2025 is just gonna be like all about loving myself, taking it easy, not putting a lot of pressure on myself. Because if you know me, you know मैं थोड़ी सी पागल हो जाती हूँ. Like I put too much pressure on myself. I keep thinking a lot. I just want to achieve and attain everything like fast, fast, fast. And this year will be about one day at a time and one step at a time. Also, that was my bronzing powder from Kiko, and this is my blush from Swiss Beauty. ये थोड़ा सा ना glowy है, इसमें like ऐसे illuminator highlighter type अंदर ही है, and this is really smooth and it blends beautifully, so I just wanted to use this for you guys. And this brush has like an upward motion, तो इससे काफी help हो जाता है. Just how freaking stunning. Because I'm getting ready for the night, so I like to layer my blush. तो यहाँ पर मैं थोड़ा सा एक dark pink shade लगा लूंगी ताकि it looks much better and it looks much brighter. Like this is light is fine. The apple of your cheeks can be a little darker. अगर मैं अभी अपनी videos देखूं जो मैं पहले बनाती थी, and now I'm like just so fast with it, and now I just love it. So one more thing, yeah, if you guys want to start content, like really start it. After this, I'm going to take a powder blush from K Beauty. थोड़ा सा dark है. The thing about content is that I've been making it since I think 2021 is the year I started making it, but मैंने उसको कभी seriously नहीं लिया. And it I am like really creative, so I think when I do something like this, it really helps me. It makes me happy. Like अगर throughout the day मैं बाहर भी हूँ, मैं दूसरा काम कर रही हूँ, so I make sure कि when I come home at night I do something. Also, like everything is just about social media. People are sitting at home and just putting their talents out there. So if you want to do it, socho mat. Like your first video is not going to be perfect. My first video wasn't perfect, बट एक दिन वो डर निकाल कर जस्ट सैट इन फ्रंट ऑफ द कैमरा एंड आई स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग. तो जब तक आप कंटेंट बनाना शुरू नहीं करोगे, यू विल नेवर नो हाउ यू आर एट इट. एंड एक गलती कभी नहीं करनी है, नेवर एवर कंपेयर योर सेल्फ टू लाइक द बिगेस्ट कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स. बिकॉज अगर आप उनकी भी पहली वीडियोस देखोगे, even they are not perfect, and karte karte hi you can earn money through it, and then you can hire photographers or editors who will come and professionally shoot you. But usse pehle to aapko ghar pe hi karna padega. So just make sure that you invest in like a good light. You have your phone. Preferably अगर आपके घर पे अच्छी sunlight आती है तो सुबह shoot करो. I think that is better when you have a natural light. And make sure that you're just authentic, क्योंकि आजकल सब सेम सेम चीजें करते हैं और सब एक दूसरे का कंटेंट कॉपी करते रहते हैं. तो आई जस्ट फील अगर आप ओरिजिनल हो और आप ऐसी कोई चीज करोगे जो लोगों से कनेक्ट होगी और जो कोई और नहीं करेगा, तो वो ज्यादा चीजें चलती है. लाइक यू सी देयर इज वन गर्ल, यार आई डोंट नो हर नेम, एंड शी प्रमोट्स के ब्यूटी के products, and she says अरे कटरीना जी का प्रोडक्ट आया है. एंड द वे शी सेज इट, शी जस्ट कनेक्ट्स. आई थिंक वो यूपी से है, तो कुछ अलग करो. अपनी वो यूनिक चीज को बाहर लेके आओ, अपनी भाषा बाहर लेके आओ, अपना रिलीजन, अपना कल्चर, एंड जस्ट लाइक स्टार्ट. सो वी आर ऑलमोस्ट डन, बट फॉर माई लिप्स आई एम गोइंग टू यूज, ये क्या है, दिस वन इज फ्रॉम शुगर. इट्स द lip liner in Too Wooded by Nude. So I'm just gonna very gently line my lips. Like I don't want it to be too like pouty and whatever. Okay, so I'm just gonna contour them. And yeah, इसको हल्के से. You can also do red lipstick. Everyone loves doing red during Christmas, New Year, but I feel जब मैं अपनी eyes black कर देती हूँ, तो I just like to do something really nude. So now I'm going to show you the most stunning lip gloss, and just look at this. I don't know. Oof. So ये देखो. It is so subtle, decent, और क्या ही shine देता है. And yeah, isn't this stunning? So minimal, so natural, yet so sexy. So my YouTube fam, this was the final video. Oh my god, I'm a little emotional. पता नहीं ये video के time में I think explain भी नहीं कर रही थी makeup. I was just randomly talking to you all. It has been such an amazing journey 2024. There are so many people who have connected with us and जो हमारी YouTube family का part बने हैं. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being a part of my family. I don't have a lot of friends, तो जब मैं कैमरा के सामने बैठती हूँ आपसे बात करने के लिए, it's like I'm talking to my friends. I know that 2025 for us is going to be great. It's going to be a year that is very blessed, very healthy, and we'll all be really happy. And I'm going to be coming up with so much content. You and I are going to be interacting more, and I know it. For one last time, let's jazz it up. I love you guys, and see you all super soon.